Zeb, where's your lion? Where's your lion? Go get it. Go get your lion. Lion. Good job. What's the lion say? What's he say? What's the lion say? Say roar. Good job. Can I have it? Where's your cow? Where's the cow? Oh, you just passed it. It's over here. Keep going. What's the cow say? Say moo. What's the lion say? Very good. Where's your phone? Where's your phone? Say hello. Where's your phone? It's over there on the ground. It's over there. Say hello. Go get it. No, right here, baby. Say hello. Hello. Can Mama say hello? Hello? Oh, it's for you. Hello.